What is going on, guys? We're Iowa. Well, Mitch's supposed to, or Anthony is my real life name is. And anyways, this is my SuperCharged Lasko Twins WeatherShield box fan. It really isn't. It's the same letter, really. Just the windings are laminated, coating, blah blah blah. But anyways, got the PMX box, PMX high velocity fan blade. I also made a video of that fan a couple last videos ago, I guess. And there's my dog in the background. It's long-haired Dachshund. But we're getting off the handle. I took off. New knob and new handle. I took the handle and the knob off. And the knob is from a Lasko premium box fan, and the handle is from a Lakewood P223 3rd gen from 1989. It's it was K223 3rd gen with the banana blades. Took the handle off of that one. But anyways, it's the fan. These blades actually surprisingly run pretty well on this motor, but the motor's only like this big. That's about how big it is, really, the size of my hand. It's about the size of this logo, okay. But anyways, it draws a little bit more amps. I wish I had a kilowatt meter like all you other people do, like Jordan, Lamont. But anyways, let's get to the fan now. Right, we're gonna go low, medium, high instead of high, medium, low because I don't want the camera saying and then slowly going down instead of. Anyways, here's low. Got a cool sound to it as well. Sounds like a real high velocity fan once it gets up to speed. Right, medium. I like that little like noise when it like changes speed. It's so cool. Kind of like more of like a whiny P223 with the metal fan blades. But anyways, this is not the Lasko's metal box fan, all metal, nothing. It doesn't have to do anything. Go back to high. And here's me sideways. You can see if I stick my fingers, I can just stop it. Yeah, I don't suggest doing that, but it's light enough that I can do it without getting my fingers chopped off, and I'm also just sliding it, does not. Well, here's the side and the back. The back looks kind of cool with the blades on. Almost looks like a metal blade WeatherWorks, in my opinion. And I'm doing the dishes, that's the noise like around the background. And I'm gonna get a startup on this thing when I'm. But anyways, you can see I put some tape here because the grill kind of like bowing out. And there goes my dog again. Get out of the way. Go. This is the doggy. You can barely see because my camera's contrast and a piece of crap. But this little dinky motor can run this half-a-pound blade. But never really. Get out of the way! Jeez. Stinking dogs. Comment if you saw that twice. I think it's in the Lasko WeatherShield other one. But yeah. Let's go low. I have almost so much to edit out of this video when it's done. Medium. And high. Back to low. Back to high. Let's get a startup sound now. Pretty cool startup sound. It's kind of like. Let's do this. I'm done doing the pots and pans things as well. So here's hi. There's that. Wait for this to stop. I'm just sticking my fingers to stop it slowly. This thing actually runs a slow RPM, so I don't have to get worried about getting my fingers cut off because it's way lazy. Let's go to low now. And don't do anything I tried here because the air fade could either blow up and usage or it's not usage. And there goes my Skype. My girlfriend. Yes, I have one. Don't judge. Just adjust the camera backwards. This is so hard. And that is the SuperCharged Lasko WeatherShield box fan. I had to. Bye!